Here we are in Ohio, headed to Boston. We're having our coffee. Daisy got a new mug last night. We're just riding along, drinking our coffee. Still working on this odd pattern. Hi, I'm Marna.
And I'm Eli.
And I'm Carrie.
From Ink Pad's Play Pad.
And I'm Darren.
And we're all eating at Chili's. Isn't that cool?
We actually met somebody from the internet and they turned out not to be serial killers. It's crazy.
Well, you don't know that yet.
Yeah. This is our wicked lure.
Right?
And this is Daisy.
I'm seeing the ocean for the first time on the 52nd floor of the
Prudential
building in Boston, Massachusetts. I think it's a decoy. Oh, it's not moving at all.
There he is. He just turned his head left.
Here we are with Jamie from Let's Talk About It with Jamie. And look, our dolls are here too. She brought June and I brought Daisy. How cool is this?
This is so cool.
I don't know if I can get everybody in here or not. There you go. All right, there we go.
We're all leaned in funny. We've had such fun with Jamie. We brought our Blythe. We've had such fun. We had good food. It was a long day, and now we're going to head out. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe. What is that? Oh, it's the Arch in St. Louis. We are heading home. Gonna go pick up our dogs in St. Louis County and go home. Here we are returning the rental car, and we have about 35 miles to go for this trip. I wish I had started recording all the miles that Daisy has been.